Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, multi-link, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, wireless charging station, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio-digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.